I've been teasing a big announcement, and here it is. This week we launched a new website at starracing.com. It will be easier to find what you need, easier to order, and now built the way it should have been built back in the day. But you know, we didn't know that it was going to be this big, and it has turned out to be pretty large. But every cam, every component, full product details, and the ability to order directly on a secure site, secure checkout. This new site should provide both you and us a more streamlined, smoother process as well. That might seem minor, but it's a big improvement in how we connected with you guys. And not only is it a true e-commerce site now with an actual cart system, but I plan to make it more of a technical resource for everyone interested in what I have to say. You know, I have a lot to say, and I'm gonna make it a little bit more consistent and more often. I plan to start sharing technical content on a regular basis, from camshaft selection, engine setup strategy, platform-specific guidance for Milwaukee 8 twin cams, builds, and more. I hope this new site will be the place to connect, learn, and innovate together. And throughout this year, we're launching new products: twin cam billet compensators, M8 adjustable push rods, lifters, and new digital products for better cam guide and better component selection. That's a goal that I've had for a long time, and I didn't really know how we were going to do it. But my daughter, Julie, and her husband, Tyler, are helping us now, and the future is bright and big with them involved, and you should see dramatic improvements. In fact, our first batch of twin cam billet compensators is in now. It's in stock, and our M8 version of this product quickly became one of our best-selling options, and we are asking now to try out our twin cam version. So join the site, stay connected, and with us as we continue to grow. It's at starracing.com. Go check it out.